Welcome back, Freedom Savers. It is Friday and time for the Friday update on the portfolios. I will start with the aggressive taxable account as it's the easiest. I only deposit $25 a week. And as you can see, this week was kind of exciting though because I deposited 25, but I also got 20 free bucks because someone used my link. Whoever that was, I want to thank you. I appreciate that. I found out it was not my son apparently. So I appreciate that. I hope you got your free 20 bucks as well. So total account value is 335.08. And we'll look at the holdings real fast. 5 shares of Gladstone, 5 shares of Vector, CVR Energy, BNG, etc., etc. You see that. Looks like I've only got 2 that are up right now, which is Gladstone and BNG. The rest of them are down. Vector being my worst performer at the moment, which is surprising because I thought it'd be CVR. And yeah, we'll look at the spreadsheet real fast. Total value 335.08. I'm down total of $9.92 from what I've deposited, which is 345 bucks. Technically, I didn't deposit 20 bucks of that because it was free, so thank you again. Dividend wise, I haven't been paid any more dividends. I've got $1 earned, and I've been paid $1 so far. I haven't sold anything. Yearly dividends. All right. So this is updated. I only invested 1 day, which was Monday, to 25 bucks. It increased my yearly income by $4.16, which gives me a yield on cost of 16.64%. I looked at that, and the calculation is right. I'm really surprised I got that big of a yield on cost. But anyways, currently, my yearly dividend income is $28.85, which divided by 12 comes to $2.40 a month. Overall return for this portfolio is 8.36%. And no dividend changes on these. And that's it. Nothing else has changed. So that is our taxable account. Next up, we will go to the Roth. I still own the same 100 stocks as usual. Total value is $44.78.33 with $10.20 left in cash. Dividends have been paid quite a few this week. Starbucks, good. And a ton there. And one there from UPS. And today, 2 from SPSI and Southern. And I'll show you that in the spreadsheet because it's just easier. So let's hop over to the spreadsheet. Total current value $44.78.33. I've deposited $4,600, so I am down $121.67. As you know, the market has been very volatile. It's been going up and down, and it's short-term volatility, guys. That's all it is to me. It's nothing more than that. If the big crash comes, the recession comes, so be it. If not, then so be it. I don't really care. I'm investing either way. I'm dollar cost averaging in every single day the market's open. Does not matter to me what that market does at this point. If it drops and we have a huge crash, then it's going to matter to me because then I'm going to be really busting butts and selling stuff, trying to get extra money and throwing every penny I can in the stocks. But for now, it's just short-term volatility. And again, as I mentioned in previous video, don't listen to the news so much, guys. You know, the sky's falling constantly when the stock market goes down, and it's boring when it goes up, basically. That's the news. In the news, though, I will mention one thing about one stock in my portfolio here, which is VVC. VVC, which is Vectren. So Vectren Corporation is an energy utility company, and so is CenterPoint. Well, CenterPoint has basically, if I remember correctly, they bought Vectren, or they're combining in some manner, and etc., etc. Anyway, long story short, Vectren will no longer be in existence. It'll be under CenterPoint. And I'm not sure what the date of that is that's happening, but at some point, these will be sold and I will gain more Centerpoint shares. Vectren is also selling off another part of their company, so not sure how that's working. I probably won't see that part. I think it was already done. But I found that interesting, so my stock portfolio is going to go from 99 to, or from 100 to 99 when that happens. And then also, as was mentioned previously, UTX is splitting off into 3 different companies. I'm not sure how I'm going to handle that when it happens. I'm thinking I might just let it happen without making room for it. And that way, the 2 other companies it splits off into will just be sold off. And this will be their aerospace company. And from there, I'll make decisions on whether I want to add any or how I want to handle that. So anyway, that's just a couple of pieces of stock news in my portfolio. Let's get back into it. Dividend-wise, as you can see here for this week, I believe most of this was this week. Starbucks, good. Ford, Vectren, American States Water, Aflac, Smuckers, SJW, Granger, Bemis, Pfizer, UPS, Southside Bankshares, and Southern all paid me dividends. I have earned a total of $21.79 of dividends. I've been paid $9.86 of that so far. And this month I am up to $3.64 in paid dividends. Let's go to dividend changes. BNS dropped by 2 cents according to this. I'm not sure what happened there, or whether it was just a correction from the previous one. I'll have to. I would dig deeper into it if I had a lot of shares of it, but I don't care right now. I've probably got less than 1 share of that one. And Nucor raised their dividend from $1.52 to $1.60, which is a 5.26% increase. And WP Carey raised theirs by 2 cents, which is a 0.5% increase. To the yearly dividends, all updated. There was 4 investing days this week due to George Bush's funeral and day of memorial. I still invested the same $300 I normally would have, because on one of those days I deposited $120 instead of $60, and then we didn't deposit on Wednesday, technically Thursday. But long story short, I deposited the same amount. I have increased my yearly income this week by $12.31, which actually gives me a great yield on cost of 4.1%. Overall, I have a yearly income from this Roth of $147.66 in dividends, which divides out to $12.30 a month for an overall return of 3.21%. Nothing else has changed here. You can see my deposits are stable. That's that 120 I deposited instead of 60. I actually skipped a day of depositing 60. And yeah, that's it. That's the update. That's all I really had, guys. I hope your portfolio is doing good, or at least not dropping too much during this down period. A few days of where it's dropping. We'll see what it does next week, whether we recover at all or whether we continue to go down. It's all the same to me either way. I don't care. I'll enjoy reading the news and laughing at the funny stories and the sky is falling stories and people freaking out. Or it'll be boring because it'll go back up and all we'll hear about is, oh, stocks recovered. That's pretty much it. I prefer when the stock market goes down at this point because my stocks go on sale and I get a lot of entertainment from reading news articles. So anyway, that's it. Have a great weekend. Keep investing, keep increasing that dividend income, and buying your freedom, guys. Take care. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I appreciate it. Be sure to hit that subscribe button down below, and if you liked the video, hit that like button for me. If you want to hear any specific type of information, anything that you're interested in, you have any questions, just drop me a comment down below. Let me know what you think. Let me know your opinions on this video or any other video I've made. And if you know anyone else that might be interested in this video, please be sure to share it on your social media and share the knowledge. Thanks guys.